Most beginner trading videos are either too basic, what is a share, or too complicated, throwing around words like liquidity sweep and gamma exposure within 5 minutes. This series is completely and utterly different. By the end of this video, you will place your first real trade on a UK brokerage account, not a demo. Real money, tiny size, fully risk managed. And by the end of this series, you'll understand exactly why most UK traders lose money and how to avoid becoming one of them. I'm Adrian, and I made every rookie mistake so you don't have to. Let's get started. Before we do anything, here's the truth. Trading is not get rich quick. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority reports that over 75% of retail CFD traders lose money. But here's the part no one tells you. They lose because they skip the boring step: preparation. This series is the preparation step made simple. Here's what we're going to cover across the series. Which UK brokers are actually safe? The 3 charts you must understand. The 1% rule and why position sizing beats being right. A mechanical strategy that works on FTSE 100, gold, or GBP/USD. But today is about setup, no jargon, just action. Step 1. Choose a broker. If you're in the UK, you need 2 things. Number 1, FCA registration. This protects you up to £85,000. Number 1, FCA registration. This protects you up to £85,000. Number 2, segregated accounts. Your money isn't mixed with the brokers. Choose a broker with a minimum deposit around £50, a demo account identical to live, no withdrawal fees, a simple, clean interface. Now do this. Open a demo account. Pause the video if you need to. Come back when it's done. Good. Now fund your live account with £100 maximum. This is your learning budget. Money you're completely fine to lose while learning mechanics. We're not doing technical analysis yet. We're doing a skeleton trade just to learn the mechanics. We're going to buy 1 share of a cheap UK stock like Lloyds Banking Group. Not a CFD, not options, just a share. You just traded. Underwhelming, right? Good. Excitement is dangerous. Now set a stop loss 5% below your entry and a take profit 10% above. Why? Because 1 share of Lloyds costs around 50 pence. Your maximum loss is 2.5 pence. Your maximum gain is 5 pence. This is how we learn without fear. Now open a spreadsheet or a notebook. After every trade, write date and time, why you entered, stop loss and take profit, actual outcome, what you learned. Here's one of my early trades. I lost £12 because I didn't check the FTSE earnings calendar. A journal turns you from a gambler into a trader in 3 months. In the next video, we're going into the 2 tools 90% of profitable UK traders use: candlesticks, support and resistance. We'll also cover why spread betting is tax-free in the UK and why it's dangerous if you don't understand risk. Your homework: do 5 demo trades, journal them. Comment below with one thing that confused you. If you do that, you'll be ahead of 90% of beginners. See you in episode 2.